everyone, we are going to prepare this match meat. How to match your meat without using food processor or even grinding machine. Come along with me. Welcome to Olayemi Cooking, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So I have this fresh meat in the bowl. I'm going to wash it up. It's always good for you to wash your meat or your beef or any meat you are using, you are grinding. It's always good to wash it before you start grinding it. I'm not going to use food processor for this. I'm only going to use hand grater. So after washing, remember to use a kitchen towel to dry it off. Then you start grating. Actually, it's always easy when you use a grater, and please, you need to be careful with your hand so you not get yourself hurt. I just cut the meat into a small size so it will be easy for me to hold. And also you can as well use any type of meat. You can as well use knife to cut your meat into smaller size. That's with a chopping board, but actually I just want to show you how to use a hand grater to have a mashed meat or your grilled meat or your ground meat. So this is the outcome. You just have to be patient when you are using your grater, and you need to be extraordinarily careful with your hand. And actually you can make this without even buying a ground meat in the mall or match meat. So I just want to show you an easy method. You can as well use this match meat to make Nigerian meat pie, and this is how I make my own match meat for my meat pie, or even any of my match meat recipe that I want to use, or my ground meat recipe. So I just want to show you easy technique that you can use even without having food processor to do it, or you have a meat grinder to do this manual meat match. So I just use the grater, and you can as well use this at home, and it's very simple. Thanks so much for watching this my match meat recipe. And do not forget to check more of my recipe and follow me, and also like my video. You can as well share my recipe with your loved ones. And if you have any question regarding this recipe, please do not forget to leave it in the comment section. And do not forget to check more of this Olayemi cooking and more of Olayemi recipe. I'm going to share more with you. And thanks so much for watching this my match meat recipe. And do not forget to subscribe. I guess I will see you in my next recipe. Be safe out there.